Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Coming up in this video. First, I sieve the dry ingredients. We need 1.5 of glass of flour. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I use 6 eggs for this recipe and I remove them to remove the bad smell of the eggs. I add sugar. I add vanilla. Add a pinch of salt. Mix it for 8 to 10 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Add 6 tablespoons of oil. Mix 2 spoons of Nescafe powder with 1 spoon of cocoa powder and warm milk. Mix for 15 seconds. My cake tin is 23 centimeters. I use oven toaster. Temperature is 116 Kelvin for preheated and 45 minutes for baking. A glass of milk and 1 tablespoonful of cornstarch and 1 tablespoonful of cocoa powder and 1 spoon Nescafe powder and 3 of sugar. If you like my tutorial, please share it with your friends. We stir on low flame until the liquid thickens. I added 2 chopped walnuts and bananas. I put the chopped chocolates in the microwave for 2 minutes. Put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. I use whipped cream for decorating the cake. I already topped the number topper in this video. It's ready. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Love you. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.